They are about, when I was reading about it when Raj told me, and I think Rav has started designing it, there are about 16.
I see no reason why not. I think it's just that they haven't got the platform. With great difficulty, I think it's over the last 5 years that they're getting a platform in this country. But I know some of our talent. That boy Akshit, he went on that show.
Yeah, he went on Ellen.
Ellen show, yeah. And lot others have gone, maybe not be publicized, but I think it's just a matter of opportunity. And I think this one event, which will not only be telecast in India, but probably in about 70 countries globally, I think will open the world's eyes
towards what we can do.
Towards what we can do. And let me tell you, I've seen talent from all over the world. हमारे बच्चे कोई कम नहीं.
बहुत सही कहा आपने, and I'm sure you know we're going to see a lot of wonderful things happen when East meets West and all that. The rest will be history. Rav, we know that you've been working on this project for a while. It's your baby. How did the idea of, I mean, you actually went out there and did something everyone just thinks about, that oh, अगर ये बाहर जाके उनके सामने कुछ करेंगे, how will that turn out? You've actually gone and put it on paper, and we're now going to witness it. How did it happen?
Well, like I said, I was with Simon 2 years ago. We were having a drink, and we were talking about a new format or what we can do differently around the world. And obviously, my parents, my heritage is in India, and it's a big country, and it's on the map. And why don't you put Mr. Shah Rukh Khan and Simon Cowell together? You've got the biggest explosion of talent in the world.
All the women are going to just faint. That's it. You can't have the two of them on stage together.
You can only think of these ideas when you're drunk. There's no other way.
That's very true. But now I'm very excited. I'm very excited. We're all on board, and this show is going to be amazing, and it's going to be continuous. And we do it again and again. We put India is going to be #1 all over the world.
Fantastic, and we wish you all the best for that. Okay, I'm sure आप में से बहुत ऐसे लोग हैं जो राज, राव और शाहरुख से कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं. So we have people with mics all over. Why don't you shoot your questions, and they'll answer it, I guess. You see hands? Yeah, the gentleman here with the French beard, the one who has talent. No, you have talent. You told me. What's a full beard? Okay, what's your question?
Hi Shahrukh, this is Sohail. Shahrukh, what would be your role? Like, we're not actually come to know what exactly would be your role, and how would you be entertaining, or you would be hosting the show? क्या है?
Nothing. Are you asking me now?
Yeah. Sure.
So I'm going to host the show on the evening, on the 6th evening. I'd like to put it all together for these 14, 15, 16, or even more maybe, or less. But they are about, when I was reading about it when Raj told me, and I think Rav has started designing it, there are about 16 performances mixed with Indian and international artists. And of course, there are Bollywood regular performances also, which are going to be irregular because they're going to be shot in a different way and showcased in a different way. So I'm going to put it all together as a host. I think, you know, I'll tell you the interest when Raj and the whole team from Colors told me about it. I was just happy to be a part of it, and you know, just all bind it together. I really don't have the kind of talent the guys and girls who are going to perform on the stage have. So मैं थोड़ा सा बैक स्टेज पे रह के पीछे अच्छा सूट वूट पहन के बातचीत करके आप लोगों को बाइंड कर दूंगा इस शो में, because I think it's an important platform not only for Indian talent to be showcased worldwide. I think it's also important for the exposure of Indian talent to see what the world talent has reached, and not only just in music and dance, but the different variety of things that Rav and I'm sure the team, they go out and choose. And I myself am, you know, when I get extremely an entertainer sometimes is bereft of entertainment for himself or herself. For me, this is one of the most entertaining evenings that I'll have. I'll be able to watch some of the greatest things and you know, be able to host it and put it all together for you.
Shahrukh, but then we have been seeing lots of things like this in awards. जैसे YouTube में अभी आपने कहा था, WhatsApp पे भी ऐसे वीडियोस बहुत आते हैं. तो what would be very exciting, like, and it would be a ticket show. So why will people come? Like, what is the real concept behind this thing? आप भी जुड़े हो तो आपने भी कुछ उनको सवाल किए होंगे.
पूछ क्या रहे थे उसमें?
मुझे भी समझ नहीं.
मैं क्या करूँगा?
नहीं आप क्या करोगे, लेकिन इसमें इतना अट्रैक्शन क्या रहेगा मेरा कहने का?
आना 6 को देखना ना आराम से, टिकट बिक रहे हैं. ऐसे थोड़ा ना कि ऐसा कुछ हम शो लगा देंगे वहाँ पे. इतने बड़े बड़े लोग बैठे हैं, रैप बैठा हुआ है, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा शो किया है. सामिन कावल ने जिसने क्रिएट किया हुआ है, राज कलर्स वाले बैठे हैं, सब लोग प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, तो कुछ तो ठीक ठाक ही करेंगे ना. ऐसा थोड़ा ना कि आ जाओ देखो और आ रही हो तो कुछ भी नहीं था यार.
Good answer.
Thank you, sir. Okay, who's next?
Hello,
Raj.
Yeah.
I have a
Shahrukh, sir.
question for Raj. Raj, I would like on your
Who's
left hand
talking?
side. Yep.
Hello.
Okay, this is the sound
Yeah.
delay. We're watching him
Yeah.
and hearing
All
someone
right.
else.
Yeah.
Yabe.
I'm
All
shooting
right,
a
Raj.
question to
Hi,
Shahrukh
I would
sir.
like to ask you that
Hold
how
on.
did
Yeah, okay.